Film Originals. SilverFast 8.0 scanning software is used for this demonstration. There are 2 desktop scanners available to use in the School of Art. The scanners are located in 2 locations. 1. MACLab Room 330, Production Suite 332G. 2. Touch A, Room T145, School of Art, Photo Finishing Room. Each can scan reflectives, film positives, and film negatives. Film holder sizes available are 35mm slides, 35mm strips, 4x5 film and medium format film. Film Original Scanning. Each scanner has 4 film holders, 35mm slides, 35mm strips, 4x5 film and medium format film. The scanner can scan positive or negative film. The reflective document mat must be removed in order to scan a film original. Once removed, the reflective document mat can be placed in the storage pocket located on the top of the transparency unit. How to remove the reflective document mat. Grab the white of the reflective document mat by the top and slide it up to free the bottom edge of the reflective document mat. Slide the reflective document mat down to free the tabs at the top edge of the reflective document mat. Place the reflective document mat in the storage pocket on the top of the transparency unit. Film Scanning. Select one of the 4 film holders for your originals. Each scanner has 4 film holders, 35mm slides, 35mm strips, 4x5 film and medium format film. The scanner can scan positive or negative film. The film holders are in the same space as the 2 scanners. Film Scanning. Place originals in the appropriate film holder. Position film holder on the document table of the scanner. Match up the arrows on the film holder to the arrows on the transparency guide. Close the transparency unit cover. Step 1. Open the SilverFast scan software. Step 2. Select transparency. Step 3. Select positive. Step 4. Select output color to 48-24-bit. Step 5. In this example, we will name the files Transparency Scan. Step 6. Set resolution to scan at 300 dots/pixels per inch. Step 7. Select or create a folder to save the scans into. Step 8. Do a pre-scan of your images. Step 9. Crop to your preferred selection. Drag and drop to make another selection. Step 10. When making a new selection, you would have to select the same folder as the other scans to save the image into. Step 11. Zoom into the scans to refine your selection. SilverFast will pre-scan when you would zoom in. Step 12. After the pre-scans, you can zoom out or click on any of the images in the navigator to get to your next selection. Step 13. Size the image selection to print size. In this example, it is set to 200%, 400%, and 600% for the 3 images. Step 14. Click on Scan. SilverFast will scan one at a time. You will click Scan again for every remaining image. Step 15. Review images in Photoshop. Step 16. Check on size and resolution through Image-Image Size.